Sir,
Yes, Hansini, tell me.
so I have one doubt in AP, sir. While I'm doing RD Sharma sums, I got it out.
Yeah, you have some in doubt in AP. Then
Yeah.
send me the doubts
Where, sir?
anywhere where you can type in the chat box. You can type in the chat box. If you want to
Okay.
send in WhatsApp, you can send in WhatsApp. Your wish.
Okay. I'll tell send in chat. So it's like find X and another AP they're asking, sir. X.
Anyway, if I see the question, then you'll get to know. No, how I
Okay.
understand like
Yes.
that.
Yes. I send it to you, sir.
Yes, 1 minute. I'm seeing that. 1/x+2, comma 1/x+3. It's very easy. Only common difference you can find. No, common difference you find, you get the simple answer. That's all.
We can find only we need to find common differences, sir.
Yeah, these all three and AP it's given. No, the difference should be same. Common difference is what? Same.
Okay.
So common difference, if you find, you'll get the answer. That's all.
Then we need to substitute in n is equals to a plus. In
Why
that
that is
one,
why that is required?
no need. Okay. Common difference.
See,
Okay, okay, I
the
understood.
three terms are given over here, right?
Yes, sir.
So A2 minus A1 you write on left hand side. A3 minus A2 you write on right hand side. This is your difference. This is also difference. Both should be what? Good evening, sir. Good evening. So A3 is A2 minus A1 you do, A3 minus A2 you do, you'll get the answer. Okay. Just solve if you're not getting asked. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it's very
Class
simple
I'll solve.
question. Yeah, it's very simple. We are doing coordinate. We'll start in 2-3 minutes. Please wait for it. Huh?
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
What's Rishi? What you're saying?
I said no, sir. My mic was not working, sir. So good evening, sir.
Good evening. Mic was not working.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Still only 5 members joined till now. Okay. कैश को पूछ सकता है, ध्यान रखना बहुत लूज है. So till where we have done, Shreyashi, in last class?
Eighth question, sir.
3 questions we have done in this.
Eighth one, sir.
8th one we have done. Okay. So how many questions are there?
10.
10, sir.
So I given the homework to do exercise 7.1, right? You have done till 10th one, all of you?
Yes, sir.
I cannot see here. I just see only Medha answering. All of you on the camera now.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. I'll turn on my camera. Sir.
Monish, Tanishka, Dhananjay, Reni,
Yes, sir, I'm just turning it on.
and then so question number 7, 8 we have done. Question number 9 and 10. Question number 10th is a bit different one. Who has done question number 10th? Yes, question number 10th you have done. So in the question is given that find a relation between x and y such that point xy is equidistant from the point 3 and 6. So it's given over here x comma y. This is equidistant from 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Okay. This is equidistance from 3 comma 6 as well as minus 3 comma 4. So In this case, AB is equals to AC. Now, using here distance formula. And finally, we got here 3x plus y is equals to 5. Homework. All of you have done the homework. This question number 10th. Anyone who has done? Only Meda Anshini, who has done here? Shreyashi has done, right? Question number 10th you have done, Shreyashi?
Sir, we did till question number 9, no, sir.
Okay, 10th you should do once again, right? Means I given the homework, that's I'm asking. We have done till 9th, but I don't know.
Till 8th we done, sir. 9th you gave homework.
Okay, people are not tried.
Yes.
9th and 10th.
No.
Sir, I did 9th one, sir.
Okay, fine. See question number 10th over here. Once again, I'm solving over here, right? So here is given point x comma y. This is equidistance from 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. So here you have to find the relationship between x and y. Relationship between one equation will come where x and y should be present. So distance of these 2 points are equal. So I just name it anything. You can write here x, this one A, B, and C. So distance of AB is equals to distance of AC. Use distance formula here. So root over 3 minus x whole square plus 6 minus y whole square. Root over again y plus 3 whole square plus 4 minus y whole square. Okay, you can write minus 3 minus y also, but I'll write y plus 3. Now both squaring both sides, what will happen? Squaring both sides, if you don't know, the root will get cancelled. So you'll get only 3
Sir,
minus...
why did you write y plus 3, sir? It should be x plus 3, no, sir?
Okay, yeah, correct. It should be x plus 3, correct. It should be x plus 3. So 3 minus x whole square plus 6 minus y whole square is equals to x plus 3 whole square plus 4 minus y whole square. So if you squaring both, on squaring this, what you'll get? 9 plus x square minus 6x plus 36 plus y square minus 12y is equals to x square plus 9 plus 6y. Again plus 16 plus y square minus 8y. So if you see, we can cancel here x square cancelled, y square cancelled. Now what we can write here?
9, 9 cancel.
Which will get cancelled?
9, 9.
9 will get cancelled. Then 6x right here minus 6x. X is not here, is 6x only, right? Minus 6x again minus 6x minus 12y plus 8y is equals to 16 minus 36. So what do you get? Minus 12x minus 4y is equals to minus 20. You can divide by here what? Divide by minus 4. That will be easier. Okay. Everywhere minus is there. And 4 also is common in everything. So you can just take it off. Minus 4 you divide. So we'll get here 4 3s are 12. 3x plus y is equals to 5. So this is the final answer what we got.
So this is the relation with x and y, no, sir?
Yeah, relation in X and Y, yes.
Okay, sir.
Anyone want me to do question number 9?
Sir, I understood, sir. I got it.
Any one of you who need question number 9? Actually, I given at least to solve this whole exercise completely by yourself. If you're done in class also, if you revise, no, that will be pakka for your exam. You should not revise in exam time. If you do all the questions what you're doing here at home by your own, then that will be better, right? Monish, you have done question number 9?
No, sir.
See, after the class, nobody is serious at home. That's amazing. If you have not giving homework also, no, you should do. Try at least. And if you're doing it once in class, no, do it once it at home also without seeing the questions. Then it'll be perfect. You'll get confidence if you do by your own. If answer will come, no, you'll get confidence. Means chances of mistake in exam will reduce if you just practice after the class without seeing the answers. Okay, if all the answers are correct, then chances of getting wrong in exam time is very, very low. So that's why keep on practicing. See here, if q0, 1, q0, 1 is equidistance from point P, that is 5, minus 3, and R, that is x, 6. Equidistance, these both are equal. So find the value of x and also find the distance between QR and PR. Obviously, if you find the value of x, obviously you'll get the distance, right? QR and PR. So it's very easy now, correct? So if you find, you are getting or not, check. So PQ I'll find here, PQ is equals to QR. So root over I'll write here. 5 minus 0 square is 5 square only I'll write here. And then plus 1 plus 3 whole square means 4 square is equals to root over x square plus 6 minus 1, that is 5 square. Is it correct here, Shreyashi? Is it correct what I've done? Shreyashi, what is the answer for this? Is it correct what I've done here? Shreyashi is there in the meeting. Shreyashi, what is your answer for x?
Sir, for x, I got plus minus 4, sir.
Plus minus 4. Okay. So here, children, simply on squaring both sides, what will get? 5 square plus 4 square is equals to x square plus 5 square. So this will cancel from both the sides. So we got x square is equal to 16. So x is equals to obviously plus minus 4. So what is the distance of QR, Shreyashi? Distance of QR, what you got?
Sir, I didn't do that. No, I didn't do that, sir. I didn't see that question, sir.
Right now you told that you have done question number 9. Now you're saying you have not done. What is this?
Sir, I'm saying that I found the values of x, sir. I didn't see the second part of the question, sir.
Oh. Means my mistake only to ask, right? I have done big mistake, no, Shreyashi, then? You have not seen the question, huh? So it's my mistake.
No, sir.
Then you told 9th question you have done. That's why I just asked you. So this part I have done, this part I have not done. If you've done completely, then you should tell, right? Okay, now QR. How to find QR now? Distance of QR is equals to, simply if you got x here, So x can be plus 4. Check the answer, children. 4 plus minus 4 is correct. Tanishka, check.
Yes, sir. I
Answer.
got the answers.
Answer at the back side of the book is correct.
Checking.
PQ is equals to, because if answers come like this, now 5 square 5 will get cancelled. Some doubt will come. 6 minus 1, 1 plus 3, 4.
Correct.
That's correct, sir. And
Okay,
QR
fine.
is root 41.
Okay, QR you'll find here. So x we got it as plus minus 4, anything you get. So 4 square or minus 4 square, whatever you take, not a problem. Plus 5 square. That we got it as 25 and 16, root 41.
Root 56.
Huh? Then PR. Root over 4 square, 4, here minus 4, minus 5, that is minus 9, right? Minus 9 square and 6 plus 3, again 9 square. Root 162 we are getting. It's coming like this. What is the answer for this? PR?
Root 82, sir.
Root 82 and root 9 root 2, both.
Okay. 9 root 2 is coming also. Now, if this is x, right now in this case, what you have considered? X is equals to minus 4. If you consider x is equals to plus 4, then what you get? Check. PR is equals to root over 5 minus 4. Means 5 minus 4, that is 1 square. And again, here is 9 square. So we'll get 82, root of 82. So there are two answers over here. The first answer is x is equals to minus 4. Then answer will be what? 9 root 2. If you take x equal to plus 4, then answer will be what? Root 82. Clear? So there are two answers for PR. So we have done 9th and 10th. Now we move to the next exercise that is based on not distance. That is based on section and midpoint formula. So only children will get confused in this exercise is how much you know, how you know. Equidistance means it's not midpoint. See, there is a distance between equidistance and midpoint. Remember, equidistance we are using over here. Equidistant. We are using here, means both are equidistance. But this, we can't say this is a midpoint. Okay. So midpoint is different. Equidistance is different. So don't confuse in exam time. Okay. Equidistance means distance between both. Where equidistance is coming here, then you have to use here distance formula. Okay. Equidistance means distance between the things. And if given midpoint, then you can use section formula. Now we move to exercise 7.2, question number 1. Medha Anshini, what is the formula? What is section formula? Tell me the formula. What is the section formula? We have read. Yes.
X is equals to mx2 minus minus x is equals to mx2 minus mx1 by m plus n.
Come once again.
X is equals to mx2 minus mx1
Minus.
by minus
Plus, sir.
Plus mx1 divided by.
m plus n.
Oh. Then Ivan Karthik, why you off your camera? If I just watch, then you just on the camera. On your cameras, Ivan. If x and y is the midpoint of the line, okay, then what is the midpoint formula? What is the midpoint formula?
X is
Sir, who
equal
are you asking?
Ivan, can you hear me? Hmm. Okay, Harshit, you tell me. He's so busy. Yuvan is so busy in his work.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
X is equals no. So what did you ask for?
I asked that if x comma y we have no, that is a midpoint of the line. So there is a line over here. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
midpoint of x1, y1 and
X,
x2, y2. Okay.
x1 plus x2 by 2.
Yeah, this ratio we take it as 1, 1 if it is a midpoint, right?
Yes, sir.
So if it is a midpoint, so we take m and n. That section is 1:1. You know all this, Dhananjay, right?
Yes, sir.
You have finished this chapter?
No,
In class,
sir.
you have done with this chapter?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So we'd start now question number 1. So we have the formula on the top here. So find the coordinates of point which divides the line joining the it says 2 points, 1 -1 comma 7 and 4 comma -3. Yes.
Sir, do we take M as 2?
Obviously, yes. If you don't know, just make one line over here, you'll get it properly. Okay. So M is 2 and N is 3. Okay. So try to understand the question, what they're asking here. First, you can make, if you want, you can make one line first. Okay. Draw a line over here. Name it as AB, A and B. There's one point in between, that is, you name it as P. So this, you can find the coordinate of point which divides a join of this and this. So we have to find here, this is -1 and 7. We have to find this x and y. And B is given as 4 comma -3. So we have to find this x comma y, and ratio is given 2:3. So this is 2 and this is 3. So we let it as a, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, and this is m, and this one is n. Then you can simply put the values in the formula and get the answers. That's all.
I got it, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you're done with the first one, you can just start second one. If you're done with the first, you can start with the second question. And those who are not getting, just tell me if you are not getting this. I'll solve over the here. Yes. Dhananjay, what is the answer for this? First question.
1 comma 3.
Okay, second question also you have done?
I'm doing, so I don't start.
Okay. Anyone who did got the first answer?
So could you solve the first question?
Okay, you understood what the question they're asking, Reni?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, X formula I'm writing over here, M x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. So m is 2, x2 is 4 plus 3 into -1 divided by m plus n, that is 2 plus 3. So 8 minus 3, that is 5 by 5, that is 1. So we got x is what? X we got it as 1. Okay. Similarly, you can find for y also. My2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So m is again 2, y is -3 plus 3 into 7 divided by 2 plus 3. 21 minus 6, 15. 15 by 5 is 3, 1 comma 3. All of you got 1 comma 3 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now here's trisection means three parts and equal three parts. Okay. The second question is like, find the coordinates of the points of trisection, which divides into three parts of the line segment 4, -1 and -2, -3. So 2 points is given, point A and point B is given to you. That is x1, y1. If you want to let, I can let x1, y1, x2, y2. So 2 things you have to find here. First one is x, y, and second is x3, y3. This both point you need to find, this orange one. All three parts are equal. So that's how I've taken here 1:1:1. So anyone got the answer for x, y?
I got it.
Okay. If you're finding, one hint is there, if you're finding this C part, x, y, so D you forget it off. You forget about D. If you're finding C, you forget about D. So ratio of M will be 1 and N will be 2 because there are two paths. So simply you consider one single line and you can divide, you just think into two parts only. Don't consider three part. Okay, so 1:2, you can get the M is equals to 1, N is equals to 2 and get the answers. That's all. Okay. M is equals to 1, N is equals to 2. That's all.
Sir, is it okay, sir, if we find first x3, y3 and then to x, y?
Fine, anything you can do, no problem. So if you're finding D,
Okay.
you take it as 2:1. That's all. 2, this is 1. And it's not both the cases you can do. You can, suppose you found D, okay? D you can find. How to find C? Don't consider A, you can do in different ways. Now D is the midpoint of C and B. If you know C, if you know B, then x1 plus x2 by 2, you can use midpoint formula also, okay? So many ways we can do over here. I'll solve over here then, okay? I'll solve, which one I should solve first, X, C or D?
C.
Okay. Now see, C is equals to, I'll just take it as this is 2, this is 1 and this is 2. So X is equals to 1 into -2 plus 2 into 4, sorry, mx2, right? 4, correct? Divide by 1 plus 2, that is 3. So here you got 8 minus 2, 6 by 3, that is 2. And y is equals to, if you're finding just x, this one, right? So 1 into -3 plus 2 into 4. Sorry, 2 into -1. 2 into -1 divided by 3. So -3 -2 -5 by 3. Is it correct or something wrong? Anyone found the C coordinate?
Sir, I also got the same thing.
Yes, sir. Even I got the same.
Same, sir.
Yeah, C you got. Now just if to find D, no, it's very easy. To find D, what you can do, see coordinate of X if you find in D, okay? X3, sorry, X3 if you're finding. So it's very easy, you can do X plus X2 by 2 you can do. Because midpoint, no, D is the midpoint of B and C, okay? You can write D is the midpoint of, you can solve completely. I'll just write over here, okay?
Got it, sir.
Okay. So right here, D is the midpoint of B and C. So we can write x3 is equals to x plus x2 divided by 2. And y3 is equals to y plus y2 divided by 2. This formula you understood what I'm doing here, midpoint formula I'm applying. and x is nothing but 2. X is 2 and x2 is minus 2 by 2. It's 0, right? And y is minus 5 by 3 and minus 3 divided by 2. So minus 14 by 3. So answer minus 7 by 3 you are getting, Sreyashi?
Yes,
What is
sir. 0, comma minus 7 by 3. Yes, sir.
Okay. 0, comma minus 7 by 3. In that way we can do. Vihan. Vihan. You can't hear me, right? So question number 3rd. Shall we move to question number 3rd? All of you just see the question, you are understanding or not? Question number 3rd. It looks very big, very, very big. In exam, you will see, leave the question only. First, they will do some other questions. Looks so big. So question number 3rd, you try to understand what they're asking here. Conduct sports day activities. What's going on? Just see. Medha, you understood the question?
I'm reading, sir. 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir, we should find the distance. Sorry. The midpoint of both their positions, right, sir? To find the flag where she should post.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how do you get the coordinates in the picture?
Hmm.
2, 25 and 8, 2, right?
You forgot about that. You can find something different from this. Forget about this. I've written. Forget about this. You just
Sir,
find by
can I just
yourself. Huh?
So first we should find the distance of 2 flags, right, sir?
Yeah.
First you have to find the coordinates, right, sir?
Yeah. How to find coordinate? That 2 is fine because 2 is up, right? See, x coordinate is okay, no? X we know we have our own problem, right? We are having problem in y, correct? No?
So won't it just be 1 by 5 into 100 and 1 by 4 into 100?
Yeah, that only means how much distance they covered. They have mentioned that one, right? See, Niharika, there are 2 children. No, Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD on the second line and post
she
green
ran up
flag.
to the 25th pot, sir.
Yeah. And Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD. See, AD total is how much you know? See, they've given here 1 meter each. See here. From starting, I'll just tell you once again. To conduct sport day activities in rectangular shaped school ABCD lines have drawn with chalk powder at distance of 1 meters. So see, the chalk powder as there 1 meters is mentioned over here. Okay. So till 1 to 10 they have mentioned here, right? Next, 100 flower pots have been placed at distance of 1 meters from each other along AD as shown in given figure. 100 flower pots are there. Means from A to D, how many flowers are there? How many flower pots are there? 100. So how many meters? 100 meters, right? Because each flower pot is 1 meter distance, right? Each flower pot is 1 meter distance. So from A to D, complete flower pot is how much? 100 meters. Now come to the main question now. Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance of AD. AD is how much distance? 100. So how much he has covered? 25 meters. Okay. And about Preet. Preet covers 1/5 of 100. That is 20 meters. Now Harshit, you understood how the coordinates are coming over here?
Yes, sir.
So here we know this is a second line and this is a eighth line, right? So X is for sure, that is this is 2 and this one is 8. So 8, 20 and here is 2, 25. It's clear now? Now what is the distance between both the flags? So one flag is 2, 25. Other flag is 8, 20. You can find the distance between them easily. And later on, what they have asked, if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly between halfway between the line segment. So midpoint of this you can find later on, right? For the Rashmi's flag, that is blue flag, right? The first you find the distance between these two. So distance between these two is 8 minus 2 whole square plus 25 minus 20 whole square.
Sir, they are telling exactly halfway, sir, so then we can find the midpoint, no, sir?
Yeah, midpoint only. If you are talking about Rashmi one part, right?
Yes, sir.
Or you are finding the distance, which part you are talking about?
Oh, okay, we have to find the distance also. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the distance between both the flags? So 6 square plus 5 square, 36 plus 25.
Root 61.
36, 25. Okay, 61 we get, right?
Yes, sir.
Again, now into halfway between line segment, halfway. Between the line segment, joining the two paths. So line segment is here, right? So halfway means this only halfway, no? Midpoint. So in
So
this,
X is equals to 5 and Y is equals to 25, 22.5.
Yes, sir. 5, 22.5.
so x1 plus x2 by 2. That you got it as 5, right?
Yes, sir.
And here is 25 plus 20 divided by 2. That is 45 by 2. The answer is 22.5. So these are the, this is a Rashmi flag, Rashmi, and she has to post a blue color flag, blue flag. That's all. Vihan, you understanding this? Vihan. You can't speak, your mic is not working, only just you're just typing in chat box. Your mic is not working, Vihan. See question number 4 now. Find the line segment in which points -3, 10 and 6, a -8 is divided by -1, 6. They're asking ratio over here, okay? They're asking ratio over here. So in ratio, no, it's very easy. Anyone you find x or y, we can find the ratio easily. That's all. So ratio is the easiest part of the question. To find ratio, it's very easy. Either you go with x or you go with y. In this case, because everything is given to you.
Sir, we can go with -1, sir. So m plus n into -1 would be like normal.
What, Shashi, what you're saying?
Sir, we can use x no, sir, first.
You can use x or you can use y, no problem, because all three coordinates you know. This one you know completely, this one you know completely, this one you know completely. If all three you know completely, then either you go with x or y, answer will come same for ratio. That's all. Okay. Sometimes this will be 0, something y or something like that. Then ratio should go for x only. Okay. You should take x only, don't take y, otherwise it will become a bit longer. Okay, these are some tricks. If the what happened? Okay. And if this one is x, 0, then go for y coordinate. All right, which is 0, that we can go through directly to get the ratio. Okay. But in
Okay.
this,
Yes.
yes, Harshit,
Can you do it once?
this one I'm doing here only. You want to do this question only, right?
Yes, sir.
Simply you should write x formula, you write and put all the values. That's all. So x is equals to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So what is x, Harshit? -1 is equals to m as it is, you write
-3. Sorry, 6.
6 plus n into
Minus.
-3 divided by m plus n. After that, what will you get? -m minus n is equals to 6m minus 3n, correct?
Sir, it will be m plus n, because -1 into
-1 into
minus m
plus
minus n.
n. So what will come? Minus n is not there, no? This
Oh,
minus
sorry,
goes
my bad,
into
sir.
this both.
Yes.
Now what you do, write m always on left hand side. Try to bring everything m on left hand side. So -m minus 6m is equals to -3n plus n. So -7n m is equals to -2n. Cancel, cancel. So m by n is equals to what? 2 by 7. That's
2
all.
by 7. Yes, sir.
Clear? It's very easy question. Still.
Yes, sir.
If the same thing they have given divided by x-axis or y-axis, same question. Suppose in the question if they ask here, same question if they ask, I'm just moving it further, okay? In the same question if they ask, they have not given here -1, 6. In the same question, this line is there. This point is -3, 10. This point is 6, -8. This point is what? X, 0. Then find the ratio. Same question only. Find the ratio.
Then
Then
we
what
can
should
make
you?
use of y, sir.
Then this case, what you should use? You should use y only. If you take x, no use of it. Okay, it will be on hold. If you write on x, it will be on hold. So which is 0, no? Which one is 0? That you should go for it. Okay. So x0 is what? y1. The y part you just use. Tell me ratio here in this case. In this case, tell me the ratio.
n into 10.
Yeah, solve and tell in the chat box. And the same question if it is for, this is x-axis, now y-axis. After this, I'll just tell you y-axis. So a line will be given to you -3, 10. And this point is 0, y. and here is 6 comma minus 8. Then what you should do? This is A, B, and P. So what is the ratio here? M-N ratio, and in this case, what is this? Is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. So find the ratio of M is to N.
So the first one is 1:1.
First one is 1:1. Is it?
Sir, I'm getting 4:5.
Children of write in the chat box one, just check who is correct, who is wrong. All of you write once. 4:5. Some you write both the answers together if possible. So that who is writing correctly, I just see the chat box and get to know. Solve both the questions and find the ratio M is to N. Write both the answers together in one chat, one line only. Don't type it separately. Till now I did got the any answer. You just keep on solving and tell the answer. I got 3 answers over here. 5:4, 5:4, 1:2, right? 3 answers I got. So let me check here. First answer would be just right here, y is equals to m into -8 plus n into 10 divided by m plus n. And remember children, here y is 0, okay? Y is 0 here. So if you multiply 0 with something, it will be 0. That's very simple. Okay, if they give x-axis or y-axis, this is going to be 0 all the time. So you can write here 8m is equals to 10n directly, right? So m by n is equals to 5/4. This is the correct answer. Again, if you do for second part for y-axis, you should write here x is 0 and m into 6 plus n into -3 divided by m plus n. So 6m is equals to 3n. So m by n is equals to 1:2. I believe it's correct. So I don't know how we people are just dealing with the questions. Very slow you're going. So this is maximum 10 to 15 seconds work, not more than that. So this is the extra thing what I have told you right now. Okay. So if you get anything like x-axis or y-axis, you can deal the questions in this way. Okay. Next question, number 5th. Oh, it's coming the same way. So here one more thing they have added over here. Find the coordinates of the point of division. That they have added over here. Okay. First thing they have given here, find the ratio. After that, one additional question is here, that is find the coordinate of the point of intersection. Coordinate also they are asking over here. Okay. So first you find a first you find ratio, and then you can go for point of division. Okay. I think you can do this one right now, correct? So make AB over here, A and B. So 1, -5, -4, 5 divided by x, 0. So first of all, you have to find m and n. Okay. So m here. Then you have to find n. And later on, you have to find x, 0 also. Okay. This is the second question. So obviously you have to go for x also as well as y. The first you go for y because you're finding ratio. So y is equals to, I read the formula completely, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Solve and send the answer, children. It's very easy. I'll just wait for your answer. Maximum 1 minute. Just solve and send the answer fast. So answer, few answers I got, that is 1:1 and x is 1.5. Rennie, check the ratio once again. So while writing, Harshit, while writing coordinate, no, they're asking if find the coordinates of the point of division. Okay, while writing coordinate, you write x as well as y. Okay. So x in bracket, write x and comma 0 will be there compulsorily. Suppose you are getting 1.5, right here 1.5, 0.
So it's -1.5.
Okay, anyway, whatever you got, just write 0 also. So y is 0 here, and then m into 5 plus n into -5. 5 and -5, answer is 1:1. Rainy, how you got 3:2 something?
I must have miscalculated.
So m/n is equals to 1:1. Then x is very easy, right? X, if the both ratio are same, obviously this is what? Midpoint, right? So 1 plus 4 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2. What is that? So 1 plus 4 by 2, Veera Harshit. Sorry, -4, you're correct. So -3 by, oh, 1 minute, by 2, you're correct. 1.5 only will come. So 1 minus 4 divide by 2. So -3 by 2, that is 1.5. Minus 1.5 comma 0, that's all. मैं देख के खत्म कर
वो भाव है उसका, वही बात है। तो उसको भी कह रहा था दीपिका को, नहीं अब नहीं हो पा रहा, पहुंचा दे रहे हैं, तो बोले कि नहीं हम आते लेंगे।
छोड़ कर
नाटक है, लीटर बनाना है ना, तो इसलिए।
Okay, that's all for today. Just keep see these questions you are having around 10 to 12, 14, 15 questions. I think 12 only, I think, right? This question are extra, I don't know. Maybe extra something, I believe. Okay, extra questions are there few. What I'll do now, I'm sharing this full to you people, okay? And finish this exercise 7.2. 7.2 desktop. So I'm sending this on WhatsApp, okay? So anyone feeling difficulty anywhere? How to solve anywhere? Sriyashi, Tanishka, Reni. Reni, we're not having network. Your network is not proper, Reni. You
No,
are
it
not
is,
into a stable network.
kind of. It's just the camera. If I on it, it starts like slowing down for some reason. I'll check again.
All right. Okay, Shirin, that's all for today. I'm just sharing this whole PDF, this 7.2. And apart from that, few questions are also there down, extra questions. You go through it, solve completely. Don't miss anything. Okay. What you have doubt, then you can ask. Solve something at every day. So thank you all. You can just leave for the day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Thank you. ಅಡಿಯಮ್ಮ ಏನಮ್ಮ ಮೀನಮ್ಮ
ಏನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾ? ನಾನು
Hello children.
आपका चेक करते बैठ के,
क्या
वो रिकॉर्डिंग हुआ।
कौन चेक